Hey beauty, what is this? Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with another monochromatic makeup look, a part of my Color Crush Rainbow makeup series. And as you can tell by the title, and as you can see, this look is all green. So before we get into this look, I want you to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Why not? It's free, you're already here. You're already watching the video. So just before we continue, just go ahead and just subscribe, join the club. Oh, you did already? My bad. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now let's get into this look. All right, as usual, I'm speeding through my foundation routine because y'all seen it before, and I have a video with my foundation routine on my channel. So using the same products that I've used before in this Color Crush Rainbow makeup series: Beige Cosmetics foundation, the Ruby Kisses primer, my LA Girl Pro concealer, Wet n Wild brow pencil, Black Radiance contour palette, all the same. Now time for the fun part, what you all came here for. So first I'm going to take my Black Radiance loose setting powder and I applied that underneath my eyes just to catch any fallout since I am using color. Don't want to mess up the base that I worked so hard on. And per usual, I am applying my thick concealer to my lid as my shadow base. Now I'm going to be using the Masquerade palette, and I'm using the transition color Burkina, which is a neutral brown. And then I am going into Zulu just to add some red on top of that. Now I'm going to that smoky eye palette from Coastal Scents and using this matte hunter green. Taking this blending brush and patting that color first on the outer V of my eye, and then I am going to be sweeping it in, and I'm actually going to sweep it into my crease and all the way over to that inner corner. And I'm also going to pat some color in that inner corner and blend it up into the crease as well, because I'm going to be creating a halo green eye. Now I'm taking this dark hunter green from this L'Oreal Shadow Duo, and it has some shimmer in it, but I like the way this darkens my crease. So using this tapered blending brush and focusing that in my crease as much as I can. So putting some on my outer V and then sweeping it in the same way that I did that first color, going to the inner corner of my lid and sweeping that back up into my crease as well, just to add some depth to the color look and add some dimension. Now for the lid color, I'm going to be using Molly from the Masquerade palette. It's like this emerald green, so beautiful. I'm gonna spray my shadow brush with some setting spray first because I want this to be oily, and I'm going to apply that right into the center of my lid, going up to my crease, and I'm just packing that on. I really like it. It's so pretty. Just filling in all those gaps in between that darker green that I already have in there. And I'm going to go back and blend those colors together. Alright, now going back into that darker hunter green from the L'Oreal Shadow Duo, and just making sure that I have the intensity and pigment that I want and that it looks like a halo eye. And blending it in with that shimmer color on my lid. And of course, darlings, we have to take the colors that we used on our lids and sweep them on our lower lash line. And I'm just using the shadow brush that I used on my lid, just using the tip of it to blend it onto my lower lash line and connect it to the top to make the look cohesive and complete. Now I'm going to take this detail brush, I'm going to spray that with some setting spray, and I'm going back into that shimmer color in the Masquerade palette. It's called Molly, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line as well to mimic what I did on my lid. I'm focusing that on the center of my lower lash line. Going into the Smoky palette from Coastal Scents, I'm using this light pale green as an inner corner tear duct highlight with my detail brush. Now it's time to highlight that face with my Blacklight highlight palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm using Laser. And I'm gonna highlight the high points of my face per usual. And I noticed with these highlights that I have to lightly pat them on first and then kind of dust them off and layer them because they're kind of like dusty, if that makes any sense. Alright, time to contour. I'm going to be using these colors from the 88 eyeshadow palette from, I don't know if this one's from Coastal Scents or BH Cosmetics. They sell the same palette. But I'm using that dark matte hunter green to contour my face with, just as you would with a normal contour color. And then just using this fluffy powder brush to blend it all out. And then the same color that I contoured with, I'm going to apply that to my brows to get this monochromatic look all the way together. Now I'm applying some Vaseline to my lips because I am going to be using an eyeshadow as my lip color, and it needs something to stick to and blend with. So petroleum jelly is going to be my mixing medium. I'm going to the 88 shimmer palette, and I'm using this shimmery green color as my lip color, and I'm just going to take this small detailing brush and pat that all over my lips and layer on the shadow until I get the color intensity that I want. And here you have some DIY green lipstick. And now I'm going to pop on some lashes, the same ones I've been using, which are Poise from Kiss. And I just feel like the lashes just really bring the look together and complete it.
Want to be seen in green, because if you are seen green, it means you got me red. You got to be seen green to show that your stuff's laid. If you're not seen green, you better be wearing Jane.
Alright beauties, this is the finished look. I just love all these monochromatic looks. It's like once I do the contour with the color, it like really comes to life. Like I'm about to start wearing these looks in public, like just being bold and daring with my makeup. I had so much fun. All green. This is giving me Poison Ivy vibes, you know, and with my ginger hair, you know, green and red complement each other. Thank you so much for watching, beauties. But before you go, I want you to go down below and hit that subscribe button, and right next to that, hit that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.